Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Nasir Ahmad Mahbub. Welcome to the Wadantek YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to add or register IP camera into Dahua NVR. For adding the IP camera inside Dahua NVR, right-click on the main screen, click on Main Menu, come to the Camera section. In here you will see the already registered camera. As you can see that one camera has been connected with the port 3. Newly camera will show right here. For adding this camera, we are checking this and click on Initialize section. In this process, if we would like to use the same password for the camera as used for NVR, then we should check this option and click Next. Otherwise, if we would like to add a new password for this camera, then we can come here and adding new password for this camera. Also, this email address is used for resetting the IP camera. In this section, as you can see that the camera has received a static IP address. We can change the camera IP address from 65 to something like 68, or also make sure that the default gateway should be in the same range as its IP address. And if you would like to receive IP address from the DHCP, then we can click on DHCP option. Keep in mind that the Dahua NVR has its own switch that all IP camera are receiving IP address from that switch. Now it's in initialization process. Now you can see that the camera 67 has been added successfully. For watching its picture, you need to go on live. You can see that the camera has been successfully added. In the image section, as you can see that the picture is rotated and also has many configuration for the brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness. As you can see that here the picture is completely from top to down. Now we are rotating the picture from the flip section. We are rotating to 180 degree. Now you can see the picture has been rotated. Now if we would like to change the picture from right to left or left to right, then you should click on On. You can see that the picture has been moved. This section is used when we are installing the camera on the ceiling, so we need to adjust its picture right from here. The BLC option has many modes. You can see the BLC, WDR, and HLC. This section is used when we are installing the camera in front of the door and the strong light or sunlight will not let us to have a proper picture. As you can see the image that the human is entering the door and it's totally black. For fixing this camera to that area, so we need to configure this BLC mode. As you can also see, if we would like to have the picture in black and white, so we can change it to black and white, or also if we would like to change it to color, it will change to color both during the night and during the day. But it's also recommended that we should check the auto option. In the overlay section, as you can see, the date is showing on the top right, and the camera name is showing in the left down section. But if we would like to change it, come to the overlay option and we can move it from top to down or in every area that we would like to have it. But if we would like to change the camera name, come to the cam name and you can easily enter a new name for the camera. Outdoor Cam 1, click on Apply. When we are going to the overlay, you can see that the camera name has been changed. Or also if we would like to see on live, thereafter if we would like to play back the videos, so it will help us to understand which camera we require to play back or see the footage. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video will be informative for you, and I will come with the most updated information on security.